To customize UI in Warframe Android, first of all, you will need to click on those three lines in the top left corner of the screen. After that, navigate into the options and here select the touch options and go to the Customize UI layout. After selecting it, you'll be able to switch to different type that is also represented in the game. So first you have general, usually where you move around in your Warframe or as a operator. There's also railjack and many different options. So you will need to adjust your UI to each of them. Then you can change the layout. You can switch between different layout options right here if you have them. Sorry. So currently I'm just clicking on the buttons and that's why it doesn't pop up. It's kind of messed up, to be honest, but yeah, you can change those layouts right here. And then finally, to customize your layout to your liking, you will need to click on those icons that you can see which represent your UI and move them around. So for example, we can take the jump and place it somewhere right here if we like to use it in this area. And you can do it with the rest of the icons if you like, and you can also change the size for them and adjust the transparency. And then make sure to save your settings, and that way you'll get custom UI. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.